trim restoration. So over time, the trim on your vehicle will get chalky and white looking. As you can see here, there's a big difference between what this looks like now and what it will look like in just a minute. So I'm going to cover this up with some tape just so that there's a very clear line of demarcation between what I did and what I did not do. The first step in trim restoration is to prepare the surface. Now when it's wet, trim looks great. Prepare the surface by spraying it with a rubbing alcohol solution, and then once it's completely clean, it'd be great if it would stay this color, but it won't. After a couple minutes, it'll dry. You can already see it starting to dry, and then it'll turn chalky again. There's a product called Solution Finish, and Solution Finish is outstanding because it gets in the pores. Instead of just staying on top and gassing off over time, it gets down into the pores and makes a huge difference with trim. So one of the things you want to consider when you're getting your vehicle detailed is trim restoration. It's an investment, but it certainly is worthwhile. And I won't do this whole bumper. I'll just show you the little piece that I've done here. And keep in mind, this is only one coat. Typically, I'll do 2 coats. After you do it, you buff it just to knock it down and make it more of a matte finish so it's not too shiny. So real quick here, you'll see the difference between something that's been restored and something that hasn't. Restored, not restored. So as you can see, trim restoration makes a huge difference. If you're thinking about investing in detailing for your vehicle, you should also consider whether or not it would benefit from trim restoration. If you'd like more information, please feel free to visit MakeMyAutoShine.com.